Well, good morning, guys. It's another day. Today we're cutting all the little pieces that we need, the 1x4s, 1x1s, and 2x2s. I'm going to show you what I did in preparation of this so I knew how many I was needed. Right here on this pad, I did the whole design. It's kind of hard to tell because I got numbers written and everything, but it turns out that the 1x4s I need 290. 2x2s I need 122, and the 1x1s, 1 inch by 1 inch, I need 162. A few days ago, when I had spare time waiting for everything to dry up, we cut a bunch of pieces. These are my 1x4s, 1 inch by 4 inch pieces, and then I have some 1 inch by 1 inch, and then these here can be both. They can be my 1 inch by 1 inch and a 1x4 that I just need to cut the length. So that's what I have in my inventory now. So I did some math. What do I need to cut? Well, on my 1x1s, I still need 58. My 1x4s, I still need 180 pieces. 2x2s, I hadn't cut any. I need a 1x122. The other day, I went through all the scrap pieces that I had and measured them to find out what can I get out of these pieces. For example, these here, I can do a 1 inch by 4 inch piece, and I can do a 2x2 inch piece. That's the best I can get out of this piece. All these here, I can get all my 1 inch by 4 inch pieces. So we're using all these little scrap pieces to do it. Even these little ones back here, the short ones. Then I have back here, these here are all perfect for my 2 inch by 2 inch. These I'm not touching until we really need to get into it. If I need extra pieces, they're good, they're here. These pieces here, we're not cutting them yet, but these may be perfect for the custom pieces I have to cut at the end of the table. Because see here at the end, everything here at the corners and the side here may not be a full inch, or it may not be, I may need a 3 inch piece here. So that's what these extra pieces are for. When we're done, we'll see how much lumber we have extra. Probably maybe have 1 or 2 of these full planks extra that we don't use, but we'll find out when we get to that point. So for now, I'm going to start cutting. I went ahead and replaced all my blades in my miter saw as well as my table saw. They were cutting the edge with burn marks and things and not necessarily smooth. So I replaced the blades. So hopefully we have smoother cuts and we can get all this cut out today. That's the plan. We'll see where we end up. All right. Oh, I forgot to show you guys something the other day. When I was putting these pieces in, I took these 1 inch pieces here because I wanted a 1 inch lip, and I put it here, clamped it from underneath so it'd give me my measurement, and then I took one over here, clamped it to give me my measurement so it'd be 1 inch. That's how I did my measures so I could get it in there straight. And then I took my finishing nail, nailed in back here just to secure it on both sides. Once it was nailed where it belonged, deep enough that it left a hole on the plywood, I raised my piece up, glued everything all the way down. Then I put the nail back in that hole so it would line up perfectly, nailed it in, then I finished up with the other finishing nails. I put a few finishing nails throughout in here to bring this plywood up to it so it'd be flush, and did that all the way around. But that's the part I forgot to show you, how I measured it. Just took my 1 inch piece, clamped it so I lined it up, made it easy, put a hole deep enough in the plywood so when I slid it back it would drop in so I didn't have to realign anything, and that's the direction we went with that. All right, we're going, oh, I got another place here to sand, but no biggie. I'm not done sanding. We'll come hit this again with 220 when we're all said and done, get it nice and smooth. And so I wanted to update you on the top. I was looking at the video and I noticed I didn't even show you what I did. I just showed you the finished project, and sometimes knowing how you got there is more beneficial than seeing it finished. All right, we'll talk to you when I hopefully get all these pieces cut, and then we can start putting them together.